Southeastern Randolph County, Northwestern Lee County, Chatham County, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 miles east of Randleman to Sturdivants, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chapel Hill, Sanford, Rockingham, Hillsborough, Wadesboro, Pittsboro, Troy, Carthage, Siler City, and North Carolina Zoo. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Anson, Chatham, Lee, Montgomery, Moore, Orange, Randolph, and Richmond. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm